Hello, fellow. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, first of all, I'd like to let you guys on a little bit of a note. I tried to film this video last week, and then I realized it was absolute. So, I decided I am going to film it again this week, and I made a little bit of adjustments that change it up a little bit, and fingers crossed, hopefully it'll turn out better than last week. Sorry, I was rushed, but this time, tomorrow I can sleep in. Well, not really, but I can kind of sleep in, but you got the gist here, okay? I was stressed. So, in today's video, we are continuing with my zodiac sign series. First of all, I would like to thank you guys so much for your support on our Aquarius video. I know I'm a little late I know Pisces season is a little late, but I was having trouble, so I do not care. But I thank you guys so much for your support on this zodiac sign series. It reached, it went up to 142. That's how it is. That's how it is, but maybe when I get back, when I check on it, it might be a little I am so excited, and thank you guys for your support. And you guys are probably gonna be like, okay, girl, it's not like 141K, but you guys don't understand. Just you guys supporting me is so it means a lot, and not to mention we hit 50 subscribers. Again, I know it's not a lot, but it's just I just don't know how to phrase this so much. Thank you all for your support on my last video, and we will be continuing in it because we are in the Pisces season. Well, we're not actually in the Pisces season now, but today, as if you guys saw by the title, we will be doing Pisces, which I am so excited to do this because I am a Pisces. I'm a Murch baby, you know, all that jazz. All my Pisces, give a thumbs up on this video at the end of this after you watch it. But I'm just so hyped to be filming this video. Just because of all of the support that I had on the last one. I don't know if I'm starting to get emotional, but I don't know why. But anyways, so before I start to cry, I am going to be getting on to the tutorial, and like I said, we're going to be doing a Pisces now. I don't really know I didn't know what I was going to do, but then considering Pisces is a fish sign, I thought I would do like a fish creature kind of thing going on for it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before I get into this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I do videos here every Monday and Tuesday. I do everything from get ready with me's, I do cosplay, body painting, beauty makeup, special effects every Monday and Friday. We have very fun blasts over here. As well as that, I do have a TikTok as well as an Instagram and a Twitter, as well as a vlog channel called Winter's Vlogs. We do morely daily vlogs. Well, not recently. I know I'm not that active on there, but if you want to go, you can subscribe to that one. I'll put the link in the card, but this is where all the fun stuff happen. Yeah, as always, all the products used will be listed in the video description below. And anyways, enough with the chit chat. Let's get into the tutorial. And we are going back to the old days and doing a voiceover for this look. The reason why I wanted to do this is just because I feel like it is more easy for me to explain what's going on in a look for these more advanced makeup looks. I feel like it's much more for me easier to explain than for me to do a voiceover for this look. I mean doing a talking video, because that took me a lot more time to film this, but whatever. So what I just started out doing is taking the white shade from my Morphe James Charles palette, and I use that as the base for my eyes and an eyeshadow base, just to kind of like have a base for like my more vibrant colors to appear more vibrant as. And then I went over it with a MAC It's Designer palette in the purple shade, and I'm just putting that straight over it, and I'm just gonna be started blending it out. And I also did my foundation and concealer before I started filming, because I feel like I explained that enough in all of my videos. I am then taking the royal blue shade from the Morphe James Charles palette and putting that over in with the purple shade, just to add a little bit more of a bluish tint to it, just because Pisces skin colors is blue and purple. I am then taking a more darker purple shade from the Morphe James Charles palette, and I think my original concept with this is to add like a scaly type look to it, but then I thought, nah, this looks kind of like crap, and I don't want it to look very like, chalky and unprofessional, even though I'm not a professional when I am doing this. Please just, anything I tell you, just take from a grain of salt. But anyways, so I am then just patting it on and blending it in. Next, I'm going to be taking the blue shade from the MAC It's Designer palette and putting that on my lids. I am then taking my Morphe James Charles palette in the navy blue shade and putting that over top of my lids. And I just want to tell you guys, I love blue and purple together. That is one of my favorite concepts, and that's why this was the most video that got me the most excited. I like literally have a jar of like blue bath crystals, or I don't know how to call them, but it kept me motivated to do this series. I am then taking my Wolf Effects purple body paint, and I am using that to start painting on where I'm going to be putting the scales. I then realized this was the worst possible method to use to paint on bases for scales, but for those of you guys who are watching at home, use a sponge to paint on the scales. I've found that works best, mainly because it gives a lot more texture and less streakiness, because then it gave like a lot more like smoothness and less and more texture, considering there's going to be scales that are going to be going on there later. It makes more sense. So yeah, for those of you guys watching at home, use a sponge. It'll work so much better. I am then taking my MAC Chroma Cake in high def cyan, and I'll be painting that over where I put the purple, but you kind of guys don't see anything going in it because it mixed it in, but I just wanted to like give a more bluish, like a more lavender shade to the purple, if you guys get what I mean. I am then taking my Graftobian Pro Paint in White Swan, and I am using that to add the highlight to my scale patches. Scale patches? That seems like a very cliche word to say. This is mainly so I can mark out where I can do the scales, but I don't really think this is necessary. I got this from Made You Look, but she did it, because what she was doing is more of like a lizard snake type thing, but I don't know if this would apply to it. Again, I'm not a professional. Take everything share with you guys with a grain of salt. I am then taking my my MAC Chroma Cake in black, and I'm going to be using that to draw on the scales because we are a fish thing, and fishes have scales, so yeah. We have to draw scales. Otherwise, we just draw those patches for nothing and wasted our time. I am then taking my MAC It's Designer palette in the purple shade, and I'm using that to shade in the scales to make them look a little bit more realistic. And it will look a little bit messy at first, but don't worry, we're gonna like clean it up afterwards. I am then going to be taking the white from my Morphe James Charles palette, and I will be using that to highlight the scales. Using the Wolf Effects purple body paint again, I am going to be using that to draw on the Pisces sign on my chest. I am then taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Cappuccino, and I'll be using that to add in the contour of it. To shade in the sign, to make it look not so flat like the earth. Disclaimer, the earth is not flat, and don't you ever tell me it is. Next, I am taking the NYX highlight and contour palette and the paler skin tone shade, and be cleaning up the mess on it, just like we should be saving humanity from eternal doom by cleaning up the ocean. I am then taking my gill thing, and I am using that to taking the flat gill thing that I made, and then using some Rosade I am gonna be putting that down, and I know that it looks like and I know you guys look like that I'm having a bit of a laugh out of this, but if you guys watched Dr. Phil, I saw this one video of a mom going into the board of government, the board of security, and this mom's an anti-masker, and she goes in there and starts singing, "God bless America, my home, sweet home," and then starts ringing a bell. And I would put this in there, but I do not want to get a copyright strike, so I'm not gonna put it in there. And anyways, so for the next step, I am going to be taking my MAC lipstick in the Spirit, and I am going to be applying that on my lips as a black, for just a very dark black lip. Mwah. As in Charisma Star. Now, I am going to finish off by adding some mascara, and then it is outro time. And that completes my video for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love the concept of what I did for Pisces, i.e. my sign. And I just want to say Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Before you go, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It'll really help us. It'll really help in supporting the channel. Be sure to comment below if you are a Pisces or what your zodiac sign is in general. Like this video if you are a Pisces, and be sure to comment below any tutorial ideas you would like to see from me from the future. And if you want to recreate any of my work, be sure to tag me in your posts so I can see it. And that being said, I am exhausted now, and I'm getting a bit of a migraine. So yeah, I'm gonna go and sleep, which will probably be for the rest of the day. Yeah. So yeah, until next time, bye!